Good morning, students, and welcome you to the English class. And today we will discuss the exercise of the poem When Flowers Wake Each Morning. And this poem was written by Ken Nesbitt. And we have learned then how and how the poet was not satisfied, and he wanted to stay out of the responsibility what he took during the days from morning to night. And from morning to night he could learn lots of things from the flower, leaves, mushroom, and the trees, maximum from the trees. And he wanted to be a plant rather than a person. Okay, so this chapter is already over. So today I decided to discuss the exercise of this chapter. Okay, so students, those have English book, new English reader, they can open their books, page number 48. Students, you can open your book, page number 48, and keep ready your pencil, rubber, and sharpener. Okay, now look at here and come to the page. Look at here. First it is written comprehension. Number A. Tick the correct option with the brackets to complete these sentences. And there are 6 questions. Okay. And for the 6 question, there are two options in each question. So which one is correct? You just tick them correct. Okay. Now go to the question. Question number 1. The poet says that flowers don't need to dash. The poet says that flowers don't need to dash, make their beds or comb their hair. Which one? Make their beds. Okay. Next, number 2. Asparagus is never told dash. Asparagus is never told dash to wake up, not to play with spears. Not to play with spears. Question number 3. A stalk of corn never has to. A stalk of corn never has to dash. Wash behind its ear, take a bath. That is, take a bath. Number 4. Mushrooms never have to dash. Mushrooms never have to dash. Study or clean their rooms. Clean their rooms. Number 5. A tree is never expected to. A tree is never expected to dash. Learn geometry, comb its hair. That is, learn geometry. Number 6. The poet would rather be a dash, person or plant. Plant or person. That is, plant. He wanted to be a plant rather than person. Okay. Then play words. Number B. Write this rhyming word for each of these words. These are the rhyming words and you have to find out. Okay. Wake, W-A-K. Make, cake, lake, L-A-K-E. Okay. So here it is A-K-E, A-K-E. The sound of A-K-E. Then number 2. Told, sold, cold, fold, O-L-D. Okay. The sound of O-L-D. Then clean. Number 3. Clean. Bean, mean, lean. Okay. Over. Then next, these two, tree and rent, you will find out. The number say, this is a different question. Which emotion do this face show? Choose word from the box and write them below. Okay. The students, those have a 4G mobile or those have sent the message on WhatsApp, they can recognize this face. So what is the expression? Speak us. So here the options are here. First is given anger, joy, sorrow, fear and surprise. Okay. 5 options are here and 5 faces are here. So which one is correct? You will fill up. Understand? Now look at here. Number 1. What is this about? This about fear. The number 2, surprise. The number 3, sorrow. Number 4, anger. And number 5, joy. Okay. So the showing showing the faces expression, it is here about fear, surprise, sorrow, anger and joy. Over. Then come to next. Number D. Number D. Underline the adjective in these sentences. Adjective you have learned. Here it is given. Okay. Look at here. Adjective, answer the question what kind, how much or how many. Once again, adjective show the question. What type of question? What kind, how much and or how many. So here two example, two sentences are given here. Ram is wearing a striped shirt. Please give me a few apples. There are 2 park kids sitting on the trees. Now number D, we have to underline the adjective. And remember, your adjective should be on question like what kind, how much or how many. So number 1, Barun bought many books at the World Book Fair. Barun bought many books at the World Book Fair. Which one is adjective? Many. Number 2, Priti is wearing a dash sweater. Priti is wearing a dash sweater, yellow. Number 3, do you have enough money to pay for the ticket? What is the adjective? Enough. Number 4, there are dash days in a week. There are 7 days. That means 7 is the adjective. Number 5, a torn rug lay in the middle of the room. Turn. Number 6, you will find some plate in that cupboard. Some. Number 7, the girl in the last row is my sister. Last. Then come to number E. Complete the sentences with the adjective from the box. Where is the box? Yes, right side. The right hand side of your book, there is a box and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 options are here and 5 questions are here. Okay, so which one is correct? You just fill it here. Number 1, question number 1, Question number 1. The dash bookshelf creaked under the weight of the book. The dash bookshelf creaked under the weight of the books. That is old. The old bookshelf. Number 2. There is dash watermelon juice in that jug. There is some. Number 2 answer is some. Number 3. The dash act of the magician held the audience spellbound. The dash act of magician held the audience spellbound, and that is last act. Number 4. The lion is a dash animal. The lion is a fierce animal. Number 5th, there are very less tiger left in this forest. Few. There are very few tigers left in this forest. Okay. So here our exercise is over. Now students, this is your duty to note down in your fair notebook. Okay. I hope you have understood, and I believe that you will do in your fair notebook. The next request is there. So chapter number 5, the magic pot. The chapter number 5, the magic pot, that chapter is over, but the exercise has not done. So students, we will, or in the next video, if it is possible, I will send the exercise of chapter 5, the magic pot. Okay. So no need to ask or no need to worry about that chapter, sir. That chapter has not done, that exercise has not done, question answer is not done. Don't ask me that type of question. Okay. Already I inform you, we will discuss this chapter, this exercise on the next video, but that is offline. So no need to ask one more time. So students, may God bless you. Thank you.